Today we are going to be trying to make some custom shirts on our cool little CRICUT machine that we got recently. Today we have our blue shirt right here, and we're going to have the SpaceX logo on it as a cool test, because I'm a huge fan of SpaceX and the rockets and all that, and wanted to try making a shirt. Alright, and then I've got the two logos here in the CRICUT software. We have the one for the back, and then just the small logo itself for the front. I'm a huge fan of just the badge logo over the chest, and then we're gonna have the whole SpaceX logo across the back top. And hopefully it looks good. So we got it loaded up here in the CRICUT software, and we're gonna go ahead and get ready for cutting. Alright, we have our iron-on vinyl on the sticky pad. We're gonna take it over here to the CRICUT, line it up in those little brackets, kind of hold it here, press the flashing load button, and then now all we have to do is hit the flashing CRICUT button and it'll go to work. And then we're gonna go here, hit the unload button, it feeds it out, and you can't see it on the video, but it actually is cut. Now that we've got our vinyl cut out, we're going to go ahead and iron this onto the shirt using our cool iron here. This one's going to go on the front with a little badge and everything. This one's going to go on the back, kind of across the top like this, roughly on the back, and I'll see you whenever it's done. I just finished making the SpaceX shirt. Here is the little badge. It looks pretty cool. On a blue shirt, white logo, I think it looks pretty good. This is what, the third or fourth shirt I think I've made on the CRICUT, so it's really fun. Let me go show you the back, hold on. Okay, and then here is the back of the shirt, and it says SpaceX on it. It is pretty cool, I like it a lot. It was a quick little interruption here, just want to talk with you guys. I don't know what it is, but there's something really cool about making a shirt. It's kind of like, I feel like when you print off your essay for our class and you're typing it up on the internet and like a Google Doc or like a Microsoft Word document, and you see that and you see it looks pretty cool and everything, and you think it looks nice, but then when you print it out and you see, typically it's a little bit thicker, so you get to see all that thickness of the paper, you get to see the ink on the paper, and you get to see it made in kind of real life, and just that kind of satisfaction you get from saying wow, look at this, is a real thing. I feel like you get that same thing from a shirt. You put all these logos and stuff on the internet, and you design all this stuff, you make all these videos, but I feel like when you make a shirt and you put the logo on something tangible, on something physical, it gives it a whole different vibe, I feel. So I just want to share that with you guys, but back to the vlog. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna be totally honest. I totally finished making the SpaceX shirt, and I thought I was done making shirts for the day, and then I figured, why not make myself another shirt? So, lo and behold, here is the amazing Tesla shirt. It is a black shirt with a gold Tesla logo right there. It's pretty nice, pretty cool, and on the back, just like the SpaceX shirt, we've got, hold on, the Tesla logo. There we go. Boom. Look at that. Fantastic. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video about me making the SpaceX shirt. I hope to make more shirts, and I'll make some more videos and everything. If you enjoyed the video, hit like. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Peace!